Hi, in the last lessons we learned about slider control, what is the use of it. We have learned in this lesson we are going to learn about date range control. Let us come back to the studio. Okay, so this is the slider control we have created in the last sessions. Let us delete it. So let us see drop down list, fixed size list, input box, advanced filter, slider. Now we will see this date range control. So basically this is what this control tells about. It tells about the date range. Suppose we want to see the data for the period, for a particular period, that we can use this. So that we can use this. Suppose this is the data that what we are finding here subcategory for the total years. Suppose we want to see the data for the only 1 year, take for example 2013 data, then we can use here. Okay, so let us add it to the page. So select the date range. Okay, select the date range, take for example 2013. As I have said, let us see 2013. 2013, this is 2013 January 1 to 2000 2013, let's say December 31st. So what we will see, so we have selected a particular year. So this is the total period, total years that we have that got this data. Immediately once we click on the apply, we will find the data for the particular year, that is called 2013. But this data is not going to be changed, okay, because this control field is not applicable to this, because in the last in a few lessons, few sessions back, we have created for this. Its setting is something different. Its setting that it's a comparison matrix. What we have done, so we have compared the sales with the previous years. We will also check this. Okay, this is not going to be affected out of this. But particularly you can see, suppose take for example, we can also compare last 7 days and 14 days, 28 days, 30 days, today or yesterday, like that. Let us go for a fixed period. Okay, then we can go for apply. Okay, so let us see. So what are the changes? See, so earlier the figure was different, now the figure will be different. Okay, so for this you see 13,500. See, so this is the period that we have got 13,500, um, uh, 508. Okay. Earlier it was something 43,000 something. Okay, this control is not applicable to this, because we have not that connected to this. Okay, so let us see this. Similarly, we can go for the next. If we want to say bring about another date, we want to see another date range, we can also see that. Okay, so let us go back to the, take for example, let us see the scorecard as well. Okay. So let us go back to the scorecard as well. So you see why this field actually scorecard is not affected. It is because of this default date range we have selected for January 1 2014 to December 31st 2014, and it is compared with the previous years. This is the previous years in green color. This is the data that we have selected for 2014. Therefore basically this date range control, when we select a particular period, it will bring about that it gives us the data according to the selection that we have made. Okay, so accordingly selection that data has been provided for that particular period. Okay, so similarly we have certain styling options. Let us see. So suppose we want to see the add conditional formatting, we will get it. Compact number, take for example, we want to get, so we have already selected for this scorecard. Suppose here we want to see the compact number, we can also get. Okay, like that. uh, Styling options, let us see. Sorry, similarly for this, styling options. Same styling options, wrap text. Suppose we want to wrap text, like suppose the text are going beyond the boundary, we can wrap text. Similarly, this is the header front color, this is the font style, this is the table color. So all these features are we have already seen. Okay, row numbers, take for example, it is row numbers. We have selected this row number. This is 1 2 3 4 30, 17 row. So this is the color. Missing data, if there are missing data, it will write null. Okay, so these are all options that we have already seen. Okay, so that's for the lessons. Okay, thank you.